So check it out. When I originally did my Burlington Northern E9 video, I intended to run all my Burlington units in it, but when I looked at the silver ones, there was some moisture damage. I had some water get in my cellar a couple years ago, and I had to get a new dehumidifier as well, and so a couple of my customs got some moisture damage, and these were one of them. And I was able to repair it by simply making new decals, putting them over the old ones, that cleaned them up really nicely. The Burlington Herald, I used the no spray decal paper to recreate that one. One of the things, interesting things I thought that Burlington did was they wanted to replicate the look of their 990 Zephyrs, and so they painted on the louvers. They're not really functional, it's just something they painted on so it would match the louvers that the 990s, the Zephyr locomotives had. So we're going to take them for a spin. They've all got 19-volt LEDs in them. They also have power pole motors. So here we go. We'll start off with the E9s, and then we'll work our way around. All right, they all run great. I think they all look great. I put some Santa Fe cars behind the Burlington Northern E9s and also the silver E7, so I guess they'd be after the merger. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.